Hello! Welcome to the channel. This video is about present perfect tense. Let's get started. Last video, we talked about and introduced two areas that we gonna cover. The present perfect tense as well as present perfect continuous. Today, we talk more about present perfect tense. Let's take a look how many areas we gonna to cover. The first area, how do I form statements and questions in present perfect tense? Second, useful grammar term. And the third one, yes or no question in the present perfect tense. And question with question words in present perfect tense. Okay, let's take a look how to form statements by using present perfect tense. Let's take a look. We form positive and negative statements in present perfect tense like this. First, the color blue. I, we, you, they. We have positive present perfect tense with have plus a past participle. Now, past participle could be either regular verb, for example, and with ed. So visit will become visit. For irregular verb, it's was, were, been. Like this, we will use been. Positive, we use have. For negative, we use have not. So the sentence will be looking like this. I have visited 5 countries. And for another color blue, he, she, it, we will use has or has not for negative. And again, for irregular verb, seen and found will be used. He has seen 5 countries. She has not found the film. So you have already noticed that 2 different types of verbs, regular and irregular verbs. So, what's the change that we have to make while you are using present perfect tense? Let's take a look. With regular verbs, past participles is always the same as the simple past form. For irregular verbs, it is often different. So for example, go and gone. The word gone will be different from the original verb go. And for the verb to be, the past participle will be been. Irregular past form, we need to learn irregular past participles by heart. We have to remember that. There's no simple rules to tell you how they make the change. And for regular verbs, we always end them in ed. For example, traveled and visit. So, irregular verbs are more varied than regular verbs. And there are some examples that we could remember. Let's take a look. Past participle actually is the third line and third form of a verb. Travel, traveled, and traveled. Do, the original form, did, and the past participle, done. Go, the original form, past tense, went, and past participle, gone. Some verb, the past tense and past participle will be the same even it is irregular, not ended with ed. For example, bring, brought, and brought. And some verb, the original form, the past tense form, as well as the past participle, they will be the same. Cut, cut, cut. Put, put, put. Then how about forming questions while using present perfect? Let's take a look. forming yes or no questions in present perfect tense. The only thing that one could do is to change the positions of the subjects and the has or have. For example, I have the news become have you heard the news? Or has he or she or it gone home? Yes, she has. No, she has not. How about asking questions with other question words? Let's take a look. We ask questions with question words in present perfect tense like this. Question word how? How many countries have you been to? 43. Which countries has she or has he or has it visited? Just Japan and Thailand. So you could see that for IVU day, we still stick to have. For he, she, or it, we have has. But past participle will follow the subject, visit, and been. Very nice. That's all for today. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Goodbye.